Hi, welcome to
Perfect Challenges.
Today we're gonna do another mystery challenge and it's gonna be a delicious dessert. Right,
Okay.
it's your turn.
Please be good. I want something sweet and delicious. Okay. It's ice cream!
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream, and this is perfect because it's a hot summer day outside and we just got our ice cream machine.
Let's get started! Okay, it's time to choose our next flavor of ice
We're
cream.
gonna play a game and it's your turn.
Okay, let's see what I get. Is it ready?
Ready.
Okay. Where is it? I choose this.
It's strawberry.
That you always wanted, right?
Yup.
Okay.
Let's make our ice cream mixture now.
And let's open. Okay, 2 cups of milk. Any milk you want. One, 2. Okay, and heavy whipping cream. 2 cups. 1. Oh. And now it's time to add our strawberry ice cream mix. It's gonna be delicious.
The strawberry mix is good.
Pinky.
Now we're gonna mix this all up together.
Okay, so now we put
We
everything.
pour our ice cream mixture into a chilled canister.
Yeah, seems good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah. Now it's time to put in our ice cream maker.
Our bucket.
And add some ice and a little more.
It's good, Mom.
Okay, now we need to. What? Oh, we forgot to add this. What's the name for this?
A dasher.
Dash. Okay.
You make sure it gets all the way in there.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, and then put good. Okay, so we need to wait
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And every 10 to 15 minutes you gotta stir the
Yeah,
ice.
we have to stir every 10 minutes.
It's been about 15 minutes and now time to stir the ice and rock salt.
Okay, so we'll see you in 15 minutes. So it has been 30 minutes total, and now it's time to take it off. Turn off.
And taste our ice cream.
Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. It looks exactly like ice cream. Look. Wow. And it's pink. It's probably gonna be delicious.
I can already smell it from here.
Does it smells like strawberry?
Yeah, it smells really good.
Okay. Let me take it. Okay. So just put this. It's time to taste. Look how it looks delicious.
Looks good.
Okay. Time to taste. Okay. Let's taste.
Mmm.
It's better than vanilla, right? Or you like both?
Like both. They're really good.
Wow. Can't believe it's so good taste, so delicious.
We're gonna play ice cream game. So each player has 5 turns and we have a spin wheel here and we're gonna spin it and whatever we get, we're gonna put on ice cream and whatever item costs a certain amount of points.
So, crawlers 1 point, gold bears 2, frogs 3, octopus 4, skittles 5, berries 6,
Nesquik 7,
and strawberry syrup 7, caramel 8, and chocolate 9. So, and who get the most?
points win.
Okay, let's get started. Caramel sauce. You got 8 points? Not?
I need to take something off.
Okay. No, you do this. So you got 8 points, right? Okay. Now it's my turn. I got crawler. It's only 1! Look, so cute. Okay. So your turn.
I got, what is it?
Gummy bears. Okay. So gummy bears is 2. So you got 10. Okay. Gummy bears. So I have only 3 points. Okay, your turn. Octopus. Octopus 4.
So that's
Look how
14.
cute they are. You want another?
No.
Blue. Okay. So now you got 14. Okay, let's try. Chocolate syrup, 9. So 9 and I have 3.
12.
12. Okay. Your turn. Skip your turn.
Nothing's gonna overflow anyways.
Okay, crawlers. It's only
1.
1.
13.
13. And you have
14 in here?
14. Okay. Okay, so your turn. Octopus.
Which is
4.
4, yeah.
You have a lot of sweets. Oh wait. Okay, so I got chocolate syrup. It's
Another 9.
Yeah, it's another 9. Caramel sauce.
That's another 8 points. I think it's gonna overflow.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Alright, your turn.
Caramel sauce. Okay. Your turn. Crawlers, it's only 1. Okay. So how many times do we have?
I think I lost
1 more. Okay, strawberry syrup. It's another
7 points.
7 points. Oh my god. Okay. Frogs.
Which is
Frogs
3.
is- yes, 3. Oh, how cute. Good green. You want another?
No.
No, you good? Okay. So last one. Berries. You love berries. Which should I get? Okay. So berries 6,
I
right?
think you won.
Do you want to try last time?
Yeah,
Okay.
one more round.
Okay, one more.
With the frogs.
Frogs again, frogs. Frogs love you. Okay, 3. And last one. Skip your turn.
I think you won maybe.
Yeah.
Because
I
you had
think
those
so.
2 chocolate syrup.
Yeah.
And then you got caramel sauce. You got this.
So,
I think you won.
thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Comment down below your favorite type of ice cream.
Bye.